Natural home remedies for dark joints. A level complexion contributes to your beauty, and getting dark knees and elbows can diminish it. This can be a common issue, which will make you self-aware of putting on short-sleeve dresses and tops in addition to skirts and shorts. Your skin round the joints is generally thicker and it has more folds than its surrounding skin. Also, since there are no sebaceous glands during these quantity, this skin is commonly drier. So, when good care and hygiene isn't maintained, your skin on knees and elbows becomes much more dark than other quantity of the body. Another factors that joints are frequent rubbing, overexposure towards the sun, genetics, dry skin, hormonal imbalance, weight problems, dead skin cells buildup and elevated melanin pigment. Several natural treatments and straightforward skincare techniques might help solve this issue. Coconut oil. After each bath or shower, apply coconut oil in your knees and elbows and massage lightly for 1 to 2 minutes. Reapply several times each day to avoid dryness. Alternatively, make a mixture with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Rub this solution in your dark joints and allow it to take 1520 minutes. Wipe with sponges. Do this once daily. You may also add enough coconut oil to at least 1 teaspoon of walnut powder to create a thick paste. To exfoliate dark skin patches around the knees and elbows 2 or 3 times per week. Lemon. Apply fresh lemon juice in your joints and massage lightly for a couple of minutes. Leave it on for around 20 minutes. Wash with warm water and use a moisturizing lotion. You may also extract the juice of just 1 lemon and combine it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Put it on around the impacted quantity and then leave it on for 25 minutes. Wash the combine by water. Yogurt. Combine 1 teaspoon all of plain yogurt and white vinegar to get a smooth paste. Put it on around the impacted quantity and allow it to dry. Rinse with warm water, pat dry, and use a moisturizer. Do this daily for few days. Alternatively, combine 2 teaspoons of gram flour and 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt to create a thick paste. Put it on in your darkened elbows or knees and then leave it on for 25 minutes. Then, rub with wet fingers to get rid of the paste and rinse with water. Do this 2 or 3 times per week.